and Twistout, we're not friends, okay? Like, I try to be her friend, but she don't like me and I don't like her. And you know what? No hard feelings. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. Hey, it's a girl. Hey, it's Jenn J. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenn. Typically, I look a little more made up than this, but today you're getting the real me, the real thing. Today's video is probably going to be all over the place. A little warning, because I don't really have much of a script. I mean, I never really do, but today's like real. I don't have much of a plan. I kind of want to do a twist out. I know. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, or if you've been here for a while, then you kind of notice I don't do twist outs. I don't. And it's okay. Me and Twistout, we're not friends, okay? I try to be her friend, but she don't like me and I don't like her. And you know what? No hard feelings. So, for some reason, my hair doesn't really like twist outs. It never really turned out really well, especially the longer it gets, the worse it looks. For some reason, when my hair was shorter, I really could get away with just doing a twist out, pick it out, it looks beautiful. But the longer it gets, the more it just sort of falls limp on my head. It doesn't really do anything. It's not as voluptuous as everybody else's twist out. And I kind of stay away. I just don't do them. And I'm okay with that. I don't try to force hairstyles that my hair doesn't look good into. I stay in my lane. However, today, for some reason, I don't know what got into me. I just kind of feel like doing a twist out. I want to try it out. So I have some new products, haven't used them yet. I did wash and dip condition today in the shower and use their shampoo and dip conditioner. Right now I have Curls products, black owned. You know, I gotta put that in there. So I have their leave-in conditioner, their hair jelly, as well as a hair serum. So we're gonna put those to the test by doing a twist out, which is the worst style for my hair. As I told you guys, my hair has been washed and dip conditioned. I really liked the dip conditioner. I enjoyed it. My hair feels really good and felt really good when I had it in. And also, it smells really good. I'm a sucker for good smelling products. If I'm gonna recommend a product, you already know it smells good. Part of me is tempted, just a little bit, to use the Melanin Hair Care. I have really dry, foresty hair, and like just adding a little bit of leave-in conditioner most of the time doesn't do it for me. Let's try her out. This one's a little thicker than I expected. Typically, you know, these leave-in conditioners are like water. My hair laughs at them. But this one's a little thicker. So I'm just going to add this all over my hair. And then I will follow up with a little bit of the, I don't know what to use first. The serum or the jelly. My hair feels good, I have to say. The dip conditioner did its thing. I can appreciate a good dip conditioner. Interesting texture. This one says that it's supposed to help with hair growth. Formulated with champagne and caviar extract, this growth-enhancing hair straightening treatment is the solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable sheen. Unbelievable sheen. So let's do that and then follow up with a little bit of this hair jelly. Okay, very nice. The consistency is interesting. Oh, what if my twist out ends up being really nice? Ooh. Alright, so I'm just going to add these products, layer it up, and put my hair in twist. You know, nothing too crazy. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long because it's like 11 o'clock. For some reason, I always end up doing my hair really late at night. I don't know what it is. I've been trying to go to bed early. You don't care, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Ever since quarantine started, it got really bad. I've always been a night owl. Let's just put it that way. I always stay up late at night. It's not anything new to me. But ever since quarantine started, it's gotten like progressively worse to the point that I'm going to bed at 3, 4 in the morning. And obviously I have to wake up for work. So it's just been this like nightmare. Like I sleep for a few hours and then I have to wake up and start work. I don't know. I just feel like that's not good for my body. It's not good for anybody's soul to get the amount of sleep I was getting. So I've just been really trying to sleep earlier. It's an interesting texture, huh? And it's like gooey. Very interesting. Anyway, so I've been trying to go to bed earlier. And on top of that, try to get 8 hours of sleep. Because apparently it's good for the body. So my plan is not to do this twist very small. I'm just sort of like tossing them in and praying and hoping for the best tomorrow. It's okay if my hair doesn't turn out really, pretty, because I'm not planning on going anywhere tomorrow. So it's okay if my feelings get hurt. And also, I think it's a thing with 4C natural hair that twist outs don't actually work on our hair. And I think it's because a lot of us have fine strands, and it's harder for fine density hair, fine hair strands to hold styles. At least that's what I've learned. I think that has something to do with it. I need a trim, so that's really not helping my case. And the reason why I say this is, especially when it comes down to twist outs, it's usually best when your hair is in tip-top shape, especially your ends. Because when it comes down to taking down your hair and separating your hair, if your ends are in bad shape, good luck. Good luck separating your hair. It's not gonna turn out pretty. I do plan on making a full video on trimming my ends. To be honest, that's the video that I wanted to film today. However, it's 11 o'clock, or it's almost 11 o'clock. It's almost my bedtime. Alright, so let me continue twisting my hair and then I'll be back shortly. Shortly? What am I talking about? Give me like 20 minutes, sis. Alright, so just like that, we're done. I did not waste too much time on these. I did not make them small. Listen, we just popped these twists in all of like 15 minutes. My hair feels really good though, I have to say, especially considering that I put this jelly in there. Typically, I just stay away from gels entirely, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Not only with the texture, but with how it's making my hair feels. Okay, you hair jelly. I see you, girl. I see you doing your thing, your new technology and all. It says it has light hold with added sheen and definition. We're gonna find out. My mom is here. I know. See, my mom says it smells good. I told you guys. Right? Não fecha o viado, mamãe, boy. No? Even my mom approves, and she is a hard critic. Wow. Oh my god. Alright, so it's time to go to bed. I'm just gonna put my hair in a bonnet. I don't even know where my bonnet is at because I just haven't really been wearing a bonnet. Pwede mo mo siya, no? Ang bago na ito. Lagi yung kote. No lagi lagi yung do. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss my mom when she leaves. No, that's my good one. Oh my god. I grabbed something good one. I look like my mom. Alright, well, I'm going to bed. Alright, so it is the next day. This is kind of like the moment of truth. We'll see what happens with this twist out. And this is the moment where we are going to decide if we should gently put the twist out down forever, or if she wants to redeem herself. Okay, it's up to her. At this point, it's up to her. Alright, so without further ado, let's take down the twist. Hopefully the fact that I have them all bunched up is not an issue. My hair still smells so good. To take it down, I'm actually going to use a little bit of this hair serum. Just because I use the entire line, so I want to keep it to the entire line. Typically, I would use some oils to take down my twist, but we are just gonna use the serum. All right. And all the products smells really good. So I'm wondering if they have some heavy fragrance in there or whatever it is, because it's kind of insane how good they smell. Let's do it. Maybe we should start in the back. Let's start in the back. Okay. I have to say my hair feels really good. It doesn't feel dry. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair has this sheen to it, you know, that I typically don't get. I think it's the products. Oh, I have that one twist that's not entirely dry. Like, what happened? What happened? Everything else is dry except for you. Why are you gonna do me like that? Why? So I'm going to gently separate these twists. Oh God. All right, let's add a little bit more serum in my fingers, just a little bit, because I don't want to create a lot of frizz. That one didn't dry all the way either. It's okay, it's okay. I think it's okay so far. I'm being optimistic. Are you guys like on the edge of your seat like I am? Because I feel like I'm a little on edge right now. That one doesn't want to separate. Okay, I think this side is acting up a little bit. I kind of run my fingers through to see where the twist wants to naturally. Ooh, I have a knot. Where the twist wants to naturally separate, and then I go ahead and separate. If they don't, I try not to push too hard because I know it's just going to cause, you know, more frizz or whatever. And I'm okay with frizz. I'm okay if my style isn't too defined. I just want it to work. That's all I ask. Every time I look at myself, I'm like, what the? Well, let's keep separating. Let's see what we can do with this, just because I'm not sure. Okay, let's just keep going. I feel like the more I separate, the better it kind of looks, you know? All right, I am going to pick her out, see what I can do with her. I like how I call my hair her. That's because she has a whole personality. In person, I feel like it doesn't look that bad. But then when I look at the camera, I feel like I kind of look a little crazy. I don't know. I don't know. What do I say about this? I need you guys to give me your professional opinion, because, you know, right now I'm the student, you guys are the master. Let me know. I don't think it's that bad. Considering that my hair never really turns out great in twist out, this is probably one of my best attempts. I need to stop playing with it, right? I should? I should. All right, so there we go. If you saw me walking down the street, would you be like, oh my God, damn, her hair is popping? Would you? I don't hate it. I don't. Not at all. And let me know if you have some tips and tricks. How do you make your twist outs work? Because for me, it's a hit and miss. I feel like I don't really know what I'm doing. I kind of like just try to do what I can. So, and let me know what style you think I should try to experiment with next. As you guys know, I do a lot of protective, low manipulation style. Styles like this are not my thing just because I don't always want to fight my hair. But it's not bad. Ooh. Let me know how twist outs work for you. Look at this shrinkage, y'all. Look at this shrinkage. Isn't it so disrespectful? Look at this 4C curl. Y'all look at that. Girl, you're doing your thing, huh? You better do the damn thing. Okay. I see you, boo-boo. I see you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time I upload. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.